Samsung Pass versus Google Password Manager. Choosing the right password manager can completely change how you secure your online accounts without the hassle of remembering multiple passwords. Both offer seamless autofill and security, but with different features and platform focus. Samsung Pass and Google Password Manager both store and autofill your passwords securely. The core difference lies in their ecosystem integration. Samsung Pass is tailored for Samsung devices, while Google Password Manager works across all platforms with a Google account. Samsung Pass is a password management service built exclusively for Samsung devices, integrating deeply with the Samsung ecosystem. It securely stores your passwords, biometric data, and payment information, allowing quick autofill on Samsung browsers and apps. Using biometric authentication like fingerprint or iris scan enhances security and convenience. Its tight integration with Samsung Knox security platform ensures that data is protected at a hardware level. However, Samsung Pass is limited to Samsung smartphones, tablets, and some smartwatches, making it less versatile for users with mixed device environments. It also relies heavily on Samsung's proprietary services, so users outside this ecosystem won't benefit. Samsung Pass is ideal for users who primarily use Samsung devices and want a seamless, secure way to manage passwords without installing third-party apps. Google Password Manager is a cross-platform password management tool integrated with your Google account. It stores passwords saved through Chrome and Android devices and autofills them across supported browsers and apps. Google Password Manager offers strong encryption and alerts for compromised passwords, helping users maintain strong security hygiene. Unlike Samsung Pass, it works on a wide range of devices, including Windows, macOS, and Android, as long as you're signed into your Google account. It also syncs passwords seamlessly across devices, making it ideal for users with diverse hardware. While it lacks some advanced biometric features Samsung Pass offers, it compensates with broader accessibility and integration with Google services like Google Assistant and Smart Lock. This tool suits users who want a simple, effective password manager that works beyond a single brand or device. Samsung Pass excels in biometric security and deep device integration, perfect for Samsung users who want quick, secure access without extra setup. However, it's limited to Samsung hardware, which restricts use if you switch devices or brands. Google Password Manager offers flexibility across platforms, syncing effortlessly with your Google account and supporting various browsers and operating systems. This makes it more versatile but slightly less specialized in biometric options. For example, if you use a Samsung phone exclusively, Samsung Pass provides a smoother experience with built-in biometric authentication. Conversely, if you use multiple devices or prefer a platform-agnostic solution, Google Password Manager offers broader compatibility and convenience. The trade-off is between ecosystem depth and cross-platform flexibility. Samsung Pass is recommended for users fully invested in Samsung devices who want seamless biometric security and integrated password management without third-party apps. Google Password Manager is the better choice for users needing cross-platform support and easy syncing across devices. Its broad compatibility and security features make it a reliable option for anyone looking for a straightforward, effective password manager beyond a single ecosystem.